welcome back once again to your awesome, fabulous, fantastic channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another hair review of some luxurious curly hair. The company, I believe, is pronounced Asteria. I'll leave it on the screen below, as well as show you what the hair looked like, as I always do, when I received it in the pack before I actually installed it. And I always like to show you what I install it on, which is this dome cap for men. I do not sew the wigs on, the bundles on. I glue them on because, again, I swap out so much that gluing it works for me because I'm constantly wearing different hair. And this is all of the hair that was left. This little track right here, I couldn't fit it anywhere else in this hair. So I left it really big, really full. This is a deep wave hair. Again, I'm going to leave it down below more of the details about the hair and the lengths at which this hair is. So let me do that for you right now, and then I will give you my thoughts on the hair because I actually just made the wig myself. So look down below. Okay, fam, so this is how the hair came in the bundles. There's a 22-inch, another 22-inch, and a 20-inch deep wave. And then they have a 13x4 lace frontal in 18 inches. You guys know I love a frontal. They also stuck in some Halloween stickers, some lashes, and a choker, as well as some little fingernail stick-on decals, which I thought was really, really nice of them to do. This is the hair glue that I'm going to be using, as well as the dome cap that I'm going to be using to apply the bundles on. I'm going to take it out of the pack so that you can actually see the hair. That's the deep wave hair there. So pretty, so soft. Some of it has hints of like light brown hair in it, but for the most part, it is a dark brown hair. The frontal has baby hairs already on it, and this is just what the hair looks like here. Look down below. Okay, so as you can see how the hair came on the bundles, there was, 3 bundles and then a frontal, which you girls know a girl love a good frontal, honey. Now, what I did not do on this frontal, which my wig maker done on the last one, I had my friend to make the last wig. Well, my daughter, not my friend. My daughter made the last wig for me, and that video actually hasn't even dropped. Yeah, it'll drop on the, hold up, y'all, I'm trying to get you set up just right. That video will actually drop on the 3rd of this month. So in 2 days, it'll be another curly hair, but it's a different type of curly hair. This is a deep wave hair here, and the other hair is something totally different. And it's not as full as this because I put all of this in, and the curls are a lot luscious and larger than what you'll see in the other video on that hair. So I'm loving curly hair just in general. It just looks like natural hair. I did not cut the hair or anything like that other than the wefts as I put them on one of these dome caps. I got another hair review to do, so I had an extra cap right here. This is what the hair looks like in the back. And it couldn't have came at a better time because I'm actually about to have company, which is why I'm dressed like this. Anyway, so I'm loving, get up here camera so the people can see my dang hair. Oh my God. Okay, so again, ear to ear frontal. I always have to cut my frontals because, you know, my head is small. And it's a good length frontal because it actually goes back to from about here to about right there. So I can part from anywhere on this unit as well. I can part it side to side anywhere. The only thing I didn't do on this unit is because I was in a hurry and I'll go back and do it like later. I do have it tacked on with got to be glue so that it won't move, which is how I'm able to pull it back. The only thing I didn't do was add concealer or foundation to the actual lace underneath so that when I do part it, it will look like scalp. That's the only thing I didn't do because I'm in a hurry and I'm about to have company. So I will do that probably when I take the wig off and all that jazz. But I didn't wet the hair. I didn't put any chemicals or products on this hair. But I already know. Once I like it frizzy, like I like to make it, like play in it and make it real, real big and kind of wow, like a lioness, you know. And then when I want the curls to be a little bit more tamed, I can add water. It'll tighten them back up. Or I can add even mousse to this hair to give it more of a uniform look. This is just some big, luscious hair. And as you can see, some of it is uneven. And I actually like that. So I'm not clipping that off at all. I love the way it looks. And again, this is how it looks in the back. Big, luscious hair. Like I like. Okay? And I'm just going to wear it just natural like this off the face. And then also later on too, I will go back in and tweeze the hairline to make it a little bit more custom for me once I also tint the lace with the concealer. But again, I could wear this totally off of the face. Okay. And again, I use got to be glue to hold her down. And I even on this one, I put a track. There's a little bit of glue right there. I put a track underneath the actual dome cap so that in the event I decide at some point that when it sets better, like if I want to pull it up in like a really tighter bun, a messier bun, okay? I put a track in the back here, and I would tack that down as well with got to be glue so that it wouldn't come up, and then I could wear it up like this, just like a little messy ponytail or whatever. But as you can see, she ain't budging. That got to be glue is no joke. I'm loving this hair. I'm loving curly hair. I think it's going to be like my winter thing because it's a no-brainer. You just put it on and go. You don't really have to worry about styling it or flat ironing it or it getting too frizzy and crazy because the bigger curly hair gets, the better it gets. So again, I'm going to leave the company name down below. Any information to the company will also be down in the description bar down below in case you want to get you some Christmas or some Thanksgiving hair or a gift to someone who you know like to wear wigs and weaves like your girl do here. Okay. If they want to be real sexy and everything like that, check down below for any information concerning this hair and the company and all their social medias if they have any. I'm loving this hair. And I think my date will too here in just a minute. Okay, you guys, that's all I have. Everyone stay blessed. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. Don't let nobody dictate y'all mood. Look at them girls. Do something good for yourself, family, and always, always do something good for somebody else, honey, because you are an amazing human being. OMG. Girl, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. I will see you guys in the next video really, really soon. Also, there will be another hair review coming. Don't think it's the same hair because it is totally different. Pay attention to this hair and then look at that hair when you see that video. But this is about this hair right now, so make sure you check down below again for any information in case you are interested in this hair. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I love you. Hugs and kisses. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. I'm just saying bye.